If you're looking for a new power bank for your iPhone, you'll never go wrong with the power banks from this brand. This is from a brand called Momax. I have here the new one, which is the One Power S.Pass. This one has a 5,000 milliampere capacity, while this one, the latest that they have, it has 10,000 milliamperes of capacity. This retails for 2,000 pesos more, which is 5,490, while this one is 3,590. These are really good products because I've been using Momax products for a while now. Now, just to give you some information about it, it's compatible with Qi2 charging technology. The one on the with the 5,000 milliampere can do as much as 15 watts, while this one can do 25 watts. So you can basically charge this really quickly, especially if you're on the go and you wish to top up the charge of your power bank. So let's just go ahead and unbox both of these items. We have here the 5,000, we also have here the 10,000 milliampere. All right, let's go with the first one. I actually got this one from their Christmas party in the Digital Walker and Beyond the Box, and I just would like to give you guys a quick look of it. This is the orange version, which actually goes matchy with my iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now, while that is the case, while this is heavily marketed for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, this can fit to any iPhones with MagSafe. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Right, still has a... Oh, what's that? Cool. There is a magnet there, sticker, just in case you're going to put it on a case without any MagSafe compatibility. Wow, look at that. That's class. Look at the design. Fits perfectly. Wabam. There you go. And let's go ahead and check out the other one, which is the 10,000 milliamperes. Nice. One Power S.Pass, 10,000 milliampere. This one has a different color. It's definitely, obviously, a little bit thicker. We have stickers, manuals, wiping cloth. There you go. And if you compare this looks like a slab of gold right there. It's so nice. It looks really good. Now, thickness, definitely thicker, like 50% thicker. But you got the 10,000 milliamperes with this. You can check the charge just by pressing this button. Right now, it has 3 charges, 3 LEDs, meaning this is about probably 60 to 70% charged. And you can charge this 25 watts fast charging, which is good. Really good magnet as well. Tibay siya. Okay, this is how it looks like on my iPhone 17 Pro Max. Right, this is how thick it is. Right, there you go. There, it's very thick. It can get a little thick, as I mind you, but again, it depends on what you actually need. If you need something that can really power your device for quite a long time, then might as well get something like this. This again is from Momax. The thicker one, the 5,000 milliampere rather, or the 10,000 milliampere rather, is 5,490 if I'm not mistaken, while the slimmer is 3,590, available at Digital Walker. Again, special thanks to Digital Walker for sending over these items from Momax. Catch you in the next video.